Mastering Mixed Conditionals, the road to advanced English. Hello learners. Today, we're stepping into the exciting world of mixed conditionals in English. Mixed conditionals can seem tricky at first, but with a bit of practice, they'll become a natural part of your English toolkit, helping you to express complex ideas more fluently. Mixed conditionals are special types of conditional sentences that combine two different types of conditional patterns, usually second and third conditionals. They allow us to talk about a real situation in the present or future and its hypothetical past consequence, or a hypothetical situation in the past and its hypothetical present or future consequence. Sounds complex, right? But don't worry, we'll break it down. Let's start with the most common type of mixed conditional. The structure is if plus past perfect, the if clause, would plus base form of the verb, the main clause, or the reverse. Would plus base form of the verb, the main clause, if plus past perfect, the if clause. For example, if I had worked harder at school, hypothetical past, I would be a manager now. Hypothetical present. Now, let's explore the other type of mixed conditional. The structure is if plus simple past, the if clause, would have plus past participle of the verb, the main clause, or the reverse. Would have plus past participle of the verb, the main clause, if plus simple past, the if clause. For example, if I wasn't afraid of spiders, real present, I would have picked it up. Hypothetical past. Remember, the if clause refers to a hypothetical situation or condition, while the would or would have clause talks about the consequence of that condition. The best way to master mixed conditionals is to practice. Try making your own sentences, write them down, say them out loud, and use them in conversations. If you get them wrong, don't worry. Each mistake is an opportunity to learn. Well done, learners. You've taken an important step towards mastering mixed conditionals in English. Remember, understanding these structures can significantly improve your fluency and allow you to express complex ideas more effectively. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Happy learning!